Isn't that beautiful? The sound of Islamic domination across London, and the police are perfectly okay with this. But not too long ago, they arrested a woman who was praying quietly in front of an abortion center. And here is a man arrested for preaching in London because
he said reading from the Bible is discrimination. That's what he said.
It's true.
But this is just music to the ears of every non-Islamophobic, culturally enriched resident of London who will soon be marrying off their 9-year-old girls wearing the hijab or forcefully paying the jizya. Inshallah.